everyone, this is Anita C. This looks familiar, doesn't it? There's always some hotel that I like or love so much that no matter which new hotels I'm going to try, I have to come back to stay for at least a night or so. So I'm now at the Surin Hotel or Surin Beach Resort in Phuket. So to me, they have the nicest, the best beach in Phuket. And this is their pool. And then going right into the beach and look at the beach. So I have arrived earlier this time. So I'm going to show you around. And also this time I'm trying the new pool villa category. They do not have the pool villa category before. But of course, due to popular in demand, I think they developed some nice pool villa. So I'm very excited to be able to try it this time, and I'm definitely going to show you. So follow me. Okay, so I'm at one of the 6 new pool villas that the Surin Phuket has. So I'm so comfortable that I'm even in bare feet walking around. So this is the pool. Okay, they have the day bath, a lot of green, a lot of lush green in front. You know, if the only thing you say, I can see the beach, but the lush green is more than the beach view, but that's okay. It's high up on the mountain, and this is the pool. So decent size to have a good soak in the water. Okay. So I'm getting in my room. So this is the living room area. So my colleague Rebecca is here with me. Hello. Okay. So she's staying at another room type up on the cliff as well, but not the pool villa. And then this is the welcome fruit, as well as a handwritten welcome card from the general manager. As I mentioned, I stay at this hotel for many times. So before I give you a very detailed room tour, I am pleasantly surprised with the thoughtfulness to have my bed decorated to say welcome home. So 2 very cute elephants with a heart and welcome home on my bed. So I really feel home here. Thank you. So the TV on the side, so the wooden ceiling, and as you can see, it's pretty new. So the furniture, the decor is very new, but still with the Surin charm, as I mentioned. So this is the work desk at the back of the bed in the bedroom. Okay, so one of the highlights always is the bathroom. So they have a big oval shape bathtub, actually good for couples to have some fun. And then they have the rain shower. They have 1 bathroom here, and then double sink. And then they always have the man and ladies side. So the ladies side have the signature Surin hat, and then with the fan, and then with the beach bed that you can use on the beach. And also they have the nice bathroom, and that is the female, that's the ladies side. And then the gentlemen also get a nice hat to wear to the beach. So it's their signature. Okay, and then at the back of the living room, they have another, not just powder room, but and then they have another rain shower. So actually this sofa the lady mentioned to me that it can be turned into a sofa bed. So this pool villa is actually great for family. Not just one king bed, but this room, this sofa bed can be converted and then have two separate bathroom with bathtub, and then with the pool that you can just jump in from here. So for amenities, they have the Nespresso coffee machine, the kettle, and then the minibar is not inclusive, so you do have to pay for it. But that's good, it's fully stocked. So basically, I'm very excited to experience the new pool villa at the Surin, Phuket. We are going to have dinner reservation. We are going to have dinner dining experience at the new beach restaurant tonight. So we'll definitely share with you. And I've also booked spa for tomorrow. So we'll continue to share my Surin experience with you. You know, I just have to add, I really love this hotel.
So